Hello guys, so i-try na to ang ako yung order sa Shopee nga fingers. So let's unbox this. So bali na kung ko na siya kanina. Ting, pero wala ko siya na-open. Check that. Charan! So this is a silicone reline denture set. Basahan tanay. So crafted to naturally giving you peace of mind with every smile. So most perfectly to your gums, providing exceptional comfort. Get premium dentures at a fraction of the price with full zero smile. Smile confidently without breaking the bank. So how to use? Step 1. Soak dentures in hot water for 2 minutes and let it cool. Okay. Step 2. Melt the teether until it becomes liquid. Step 3. Use the teether to fit the dentures on the teeth and gums and adjust it to the comfortable position. Sorry na kasi open ta na aton nga ang sulod sang aton nga box. Are you ready? Charan! Charan! Ang taon tabi kung ano magiging resulta nito. Okay, so here it is. So set of dentures siya. Okay. And this is the teether, I guess. So let's begin. So guys, mayroon na natin hot water. So isoak na lang siya for 2 minutes. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes and then melt the teether until it becomes liquid. How to melt? I'm so excited. Excited na ka mo. And we are back. So, ari na babad na for 2 minutes ang aton nga dentures and then ang aton nga teether na melt na naman. So, ready na siya para itakod. So, see you in a bit. Okay, let's get ready to kabit this one. Okay, guys. Malapit na siya. Let's wait for a little while. Excited ako guys. So, sensyahin mo lang akong tingog kasi puno ako subo. Very excited man ko guys as much as you are. Okay. One, two, three. Hati-hati ang unta ka. Kau lang hawal galing kayo. So guys, happy man ka mo sa gahukas. Happy man ka sa sa outcome sa aton nga silicone reline denture set. So guys, based on what you've seen, satisfied yun ka? So kung isend ko niya reviews, kamulig ihan sa shop. Hindi ka hindi na. So guys, what do you think after seeing their reactions? Sa pamatag yung worth it man. Well, for me, I guess, okay lang kung for fun. Pero kung gamiton mo siya for regular basis as a substitute for dentures, it's a no-bid. So, wala na. So, for fun, check. For real life situation, I guess not. So, that's it for today, guys.